guys, it's Drea. This is going to be a really quick little video because this is a finale for a project pan that only has 5 items in it. So it's not going to take too long to update you guys. This is the finale for the Fun in the Sun project pan collaboration that was started by Alex, who is one beauty addict on YouTube. Of course, I'll link her below. You guys have heard me talk about her forever because she's like my best friend. So anyways, we are doing the finale. This was a 2-month project pan. There's so many ladies involved. There's a playlist. I'm going to put that down there too in the description bar because there are like so many people. It started, I want to say, with 5, and then just like more people joined in, which is awesome. So I'll link to that so that you can go check out some new panners on YouTube, some newer channels, and some oldies but goodies. I feel like I'm an oldie but goodie. I feel like I'm like now kind of like an older YouTuber, one of the senior class. Anyways, so this is my finale. I started out with 6 items in this project, and they all have to do with like summertime and whatever, but we're here at the end. I'm just like, I feel like school isn't starting. I feel like school's ended and I'm done with these things and I'm ready for summer vacation from these products. Anyway, so it started out with 6 products. I finished up 1 by the first update, and then I have 5 left. I did great with 4 of the 5, and 1 of them I totally sucked with, but you know what? I think overall it's really good. Okay, let's start out with this because it's always fun to see things that are completely empty. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, and this is where I started in this project. This is where I was in the first update, and I have completely cut it open and it's completely empty. Look at that. Isn't that satisfying? Like, you could see absolutely everything that I could get out is gone. I actually really like this primer. I think it's really good. It's got a pump. This was a mini, by the way, so the full size obviously is larger, but I really liked it. It was cooling, and that's the thing I think I liked the best about it. When you applied it to the skin, it had a very refreshing, cooling feeling, and I feel like it did assist in keeping me a little bit matte throughout the day. Not the best overall mattifying thing in the world for super oily skin, but nothing really is. So anyway, that is done. You want to see something else super duper satisfying? Because this one is, I think, awesome. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't know where the mark is. Oh, here's what happened. I didn't mark this because right before I started this project, I had taken out the stopper, and so this just came out like covered in product every time, and so I couldn't really measure it. But what happened was, over time, this got less and less product on it, and then I had to start scraping the sides of this. So again, look, completely empty all the way through. This, to me, is so super satisfying. Yeah, I feel very proud of this accomplishment, this life goal of using up a Shape Tape. I think that there's not a lot of people that can say that, and so I feel like I really did something awesome here. But yeah, I did have to actually scrape the sides, and I feel great about that. All right, this is a product that I've had forever. I've talked about it a bajillion times, and you know that it's one of my favorite highlighters, the Lancome Sparkling Peach. So this one I had in the last update, the babiest of baby pans you've ever seen, like literally just like a little tiny little mark of silver, and now I have a big old pan showing, and you could tell like there is a lot of usage around that pan, so the more I use it, the bigger that is immediately going to become. So you could tell there is a ton of usage. This already had a lot of usage on it. Honestly, it didn't take me long to hit pan, but I've been using this for like 2 years now, and I just was surprised that I hadn't hit pan yet. So I'm glad that it took this project to actually get that done. Here, I'll actually swatch this for you so you guys can see what it looks like. If you have not been to my channel or seen this highlighter before, it is one of my absolute favorites. So shiny and gorgeous. Like, look at that. So nice. Okay, last really good progress, and I'll show you the thing I sucked at. This is the Body Fantasies Cotton Candy Body Spray. So I got this at Walmart. This is where it started in this project. Way up at the top. Like, I had barely used it at all. By the first update, I was down to here. My goal for this was halfway used up, and last update I did say I'll do a stretch goal of 3/4 of the way because I was very close to half. I don't think I'm quite at what 3/4 would be. Maybe like 3/4 would probably be like down to here, but I think I'm close enough, and this is like where I am today. So I am happy about that. I've just been using this as a room spray. I don't really use it on my own body. I just kind of like refresh my living room with this from time to time when I notice it. So that's a good way to use up fragrances that you're not really using on yourself. All right, very last thing was this. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude, I think these are. It's a mini in the shade Love. I do really like this color, but there's it inside. I don't know. I haven't been wearing a lot of lipstick lately, you guys. Here is the color swatch for you. It's pretty. It's just not the kind of color that goes with everything. And when I measured this, like I started measuring this from the cap when you put it like this. So there was the first update, or there was the start. I'm tongue-tied apparently. There was a start, there was a first update, and it hasn't moved. Like I think I've used it maybe once since then. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling lipstick this month. So I didn't do so well on this. Eventually I'll probably use it up, but I think 5 out of 6 products with like really good progress slash goals met slash used up is really good. So I'm glad that I was in this project collab. I'm so thankful to all the ladies that were in it, especially Alex. And that is it for today. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. I do my own monthly rolling project pan, and I did so good on that one this month. I'm about to film that update, and I am so proud of my progress. But yeah, I do those every single month, and then I pepper my channel with little projects throughout the year, here and there, not very often. But that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.